Nisibonele ke bafethu Hugo Bruce ukhanda limtshelo kwakhe uyikhipile starting lineup udlalwe lamaplayer lawa yena abona ukuthi azoba right. The only thing I give Hugo Bruce ile yaka Maseko na Police, at least namhlanje sidlala ngama wing yibo bazokwazi ukuthi bathole uReyners angeke asuke from lapha ku half the opposition agijimele kwafaka ifuna ibhola ekhozela langalela nabeka busy bengathi Usain Bolt alokhaya lena phansi Usain Bolt ongazi nokuthi wenzani lapha emuva uDisela uqala umbokazi noOkon bake badlala boyithu Fede sayibona icombination akhona, but mina I would have opted for umfana lo uMakhanya. Why uMakhanya? Une height, number 1. Number 2, udlala khona lapha eAtlanta ujwayele ukudlala against icrowd angayazi bafana inamafena amaningi namhlanje, so ubani ozoba ababooster lapha nabahlanyela, so aboMakhanya nabombokazi bajwayele ukudlala la bangaziwa khona abantu bangakwazi nokupronounce amagama abo, but sizobona ukuthi kwenzakala the combination yakambatha Adams nomkwena is no different to Mbatha, Adams and Sithole. He's playing the same players abadlala into A1. We needed a president mara hopefully uzomfaka second half. Slate bafethu sasiseni ukuthi nina ngicabangani ngale lineup. Mina ngibona nje bafana attack nyana, but I don't see them winning ngale lineup le.
Catch the whole convo on our YouTube channel, Omni Audio Africa.
Omni Sport.